Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add change on hover images on Wix. All right, so let's begin with the video. If you want to know how you can add an image change on hover effect to your Wix website, it's pretty simple to do, so I'll go ahead and show you it right now. First, we have the Wix website editor open. We want to head over to the sidebar and look for the Add Elements tab. From here, we want to look for Button, and then under the button category, we want to look for image buttons. Next, we want to drag any one of these buttons over here. It doesn't matter which one because we are going to change this in a little bit. We want to take this button, place it where we want to on our Wix website, and then click on where it says Change Image. You can see there are two states here, regular and hover. There's also clicked, but we're just going to cover the regular and hover states. For the regular image, we can change that to any image we want. So let's say we want it to be this check mark. Go ahead and click on where it says Apply. If you don't have any images here, you can upload one by clicking on the Upload Media button and then dragging your images into the Upload Media section. But let's go ahead and click on Apply, and now you can see that it's a check mark button. Now let's say we want to hover over this button and have it change to an X instead. What we can do is tab over to the Hover section. On the Hover tab, we want to click on Change Image, and then I'm just going to select this X image right here. Go ahead and click on Apply. Now, if we click out of this, and then click on Preview at the top right, we're now in preview mode. What happens when I hover over this image? You can see that it changes to the X. If I remove my mouse from the image, it goes back to the check mark. If I hover again, it changes to the X. And when I remove the cursor, it goes back to the check mark. So that's basically how you can add change on hover images on Wix. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.